I got a mask on. You might not be able to hear me very well, but we are in the middle of processing, sanding all of those boards there behind Virginia. And they are 3 wide, 4 wide. Well, it depends on the width of the board. She counted 82 boards there. So we are in the process of sanding all of them. And it takes a while. We are masked up. It's a nice, beautiful day today, so hopefully we'll get a lot of this done today. It's a tedious job, but we're persistent. 10% done, 25%.
Yeah. If we were 80% done, that would be nice. Soon enough.
Yeah, soon enough. We're just plugging away here. It's a lot of work.
It's hot, so it's cooler out.
And it's hot.
Of course, we got the hottest week coming up. 78, 81.
And there's no shade because the leaves are not yet out. Only little itty bitty buds. And I think there goes the eagle up there in the sky. I don't know if you can see him. This job is a backbreaker and exceedingly repetitive. It goes old fast, but we're pushing through. What do you think?
Never again.
She said never again. Well, I agree with that, but we still got to get through that whole pile there. Yeah. We'll do it. This isn't just sanding. It's picking between boards that are split like this. Not all the way through, but about 1/4 of an inch down. Getting rid of bark in a lot of cases. Trying to find a straight edge. So this board will end up getting cut down like here and maybe be, I don't know, maybe 8 inches wide, which I'll take. So
Raw lumber, right?
raw lumber, yeah.
Raw lumber. So if you really have nothing else to do better, go get yourself some raw lumber.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna rip this freehand on the table saw, or I could do it with a circular saw, but it's hard to do, especially halfway into the day.
Those are a lot of work. You know, you get the live edge and stuff, but we've got a lot of ones here that are good that we should get through, because then we can do the downstairs.
Yeah, we're gonna get through those.
Finish the downstairs.
I agree.
Side.
I agree. Let's put this off to the side and the one below it. What pile?
Pile.
Yeah, don't put it back on the pile. Put it off to the side. I want to feel like I got something done. Yeah. Okay. And the river's in the background, very pretty.
I can see over the pile in the river before I put it.
Yeah, we could see over the pile. It was way above my head, so, but we got a lot of boards there to do yet. How many do you think we did today?
20?
20? Well, that's good.
20, 25?
That's good.
At least, yeah.
Okay, and there was 82, so we're 25% of the way done. More than that. Oh, anyway, I probably can't add right. Okay, later. I think I showed earlier that I got a lot of live edge, and I'm going to use this for molding. I've done this before with other projects, but I'm using the same color, so it's the same wood, it's hemlock. And I'll be using this for the molding. So I've been working on that in conjunction with the boards. So what I would do is prepare, like, for example, this would be on one side. Or actually it would be like this. And I would sand it all down because it's easier to sand when it's on the bigger board. Then I'd rip it off with a circular saw And then I take this edge that I ripped from and run it through a table saw to get this edge off. And this edge is not really something I want to use for, because it bells out right at this end and not at that end. Anyway, just to let you know what else we're making out of this material. So we just finished that wall and earlier that wall, and Virginia's setting up lights. So this room is almost done except for that wall. We're gonna do that today. So it'll be nice to have one bedroom done. Last wall, first bedroom done. We'll do some molding up there, up there. I got it up there already. All the way around molding. Maybe not up there. I don't know. Definitely in that corner. Also do molding around that window. Okie dokie.
So we have 32, 32 boards left. Mine is 6 for the steps.
So what does that mean?
So we got 21 boards. 32.
We're trying to see if we got enough to do another full
We have
wall.
32 boards left after the 6.
But you
So-
can't tell because you don't know how wide they are. And
Well,
some of them are wide,
yeah,
15
they're
inches.
Really wide.
Okay, we'll see. From this stack of roof metal, the guys cut 9 8-foot long sections that are stacked right here. And they're taking the remnant of that metal down to a different place on our property.
Started feeling weak. You grind your teeth, can't hide your bloodshot eyes. Talking in your sleep, guess we're on a losing.
I can't believe you're using a chop saw. What did you do for a living all those years?
Yeah, right? How much I missed out on?
Yeah.
40 and a quarter.
Yep. Thank you. Looking all the way down to the first floor from the loft. Under construction.
You are almost earlier, climbing up the dark.
Fast forward! Woohoo!
But we're in the company. I feel better when you speak. 'Cause you know where's the company. Guess we're out of music. But we're in the company. I feel better
The metal has been cut, washed, and is now being taken in the truck to the other property.